Happy summer, everyone. It's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I've created a quick little book, so come hang out to see what's inside. Welcome in, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you're new, it's absolutely fantastic to be here with you. I've created a cute little folio using the Simple Stories Summer Vibes collection pack. And it is an oldie, but it's still such an incredible paper pack. And I have acetate on the front. I've had an extreme blast creating this book, and it's so slim and totally packed. You could probably fit about 30 pictures in this one, and it's just so much fun. Oh my goodness, summertime right there on the front, a little banner I fussy cut, and it peers through the inside of the book, so it's just so cute. Everything's layered up right here on that back panel, and I did fussy cut these out. I have the entire tutorial down below, so you can check it out. Right here we've got some pockets, and wow, this came together a lot quicker than I thought. And I'll leave all my favorite supplies down in the description as well. Cute little stickers. I just backed them with some cornstarch and stuck them on there as ephemera. Cute little angles. You can include them or you can leave them out. I hope everyone's doing well. I've been so excited to see everybody's posts in our Facebook group, Mini Album Artists. This is a magnetic flap, so it just opens up right here, and we've got blue skies, really adorable, and look at that cute little radio. This is actually on a magnetic flap, and this opens up, and again, we've got a cool, interesting angle. If you've never taken a class with me before, I have one free here on YouTube, but I'll even leave this one up here for you to check out. You can even get 25% off a subscription and then gain instant access to every single tutorial I've ever created in my career, so if that's something you're interested in, I'll leave it right there for you. Look at this. Beautiful acetate. You can include this or not. It's just a quick little insert here to show you where you could put your pictures or even any of your wonderful little travel tidbits and what have you. Hello there, summer, with a nice big ice cream. I cut that out of the 4x4 cut-aparts page. As you know, the cut-aparts pages with Simple Stories, they go absolutely nuts. And I think it's just such a brilliant idea. You could put a little picture behind that even if you wanted. And we got some 4x4, 4x6 space, portrait and landscape. Super cute. Today's forecast, bright and sunny, with the chance of flip-flops. Okay? I know that probably sounds like a lot of you friends out there. Oh my goodness, over here in California, I'm surprised it's not hotter, but we are in the mid-80s and we are so really comfortable right now. Way too fun. And the 2x2, so I've got some 2x2 photo spots here. And in the original tutorial, I am using different paper, but you can truly use any paper it is that you'd like. I designed this book completely based on a Simple Stories paper pack. And even actually my new Today paper pack as well, which I'll leave the details down below. And you can even check out this next video so you know what I'm talking about. So again, 3x4s, 4x4s, 2x2s, you name it. I just put them right here on this cute little horizontal waterfall. And wow, brilliant. Very back pocket. We've got a cute little spot for some journaling with this little Volkswagen. And then a nice 4x6 little booklet with beautiful sayings in there and a wonderful place for journaling. I have an absolute blast teaching these classes, and you can stuff really whatever it is that you want in there. And even right here, we've got a nice large pocket, beautiful horizontal, and a portrait styled 4x6 uncropped picture right there. And as you can see, I kind of scrapbooked my way around there. And this just goes right back in this large pocket. And I used my circle punch to create that tab right here that you see. So fun and easy. This magnetizes back. This next video that's going to play will be of my Today paper pack and how you can use 2x2s even in this small book. And this one is called my Flutter Folio. And I'll totally see you next time. Thank you so much for joining me.